Jesus! What is this? What have you come to do in this place? What have I done to you that will make you to come to me? Who sent you? Who have sent you? Who are you? And what are you doing here? You have come to challenge me. They have sent you. They have invoked you. I will tell you that he that is in me is greater than he that is in you. Holy Ghost. Rabo sunda kambo sunda ya mabu sunda hibumaba kapu sunda rabakapa. Holy Ghost fire, 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 Holy Ghost fire. In the name of Jesus Christ, 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 the blood of Jesus Christ, the blood of Jesus Christ, in the blood of Jesus Christ, the blood of Jesus Christ. Rabo sunda ya ba. Kaleba musunta ya bakusunda bruku ya atashenda ya chetrapa bruntachi ya buka sanda ya ba. I will tell you that the Jesus Christ has come. He has paid the price on the cross of Calvary. Greater is he that is in me, that he that is in you. It is duty. That shall declare and it shall come to pass. I declare you that whether you are a woman, whether you are a man, whether you are a boy, whether you are gay, whether you are an infant, I declare you that in the name of Jesus. I declare you that in the name of Jesus. I don't know where you come from. Whether you're from my father's house, whether you're from my mother's house, whether you're from my church, whether you're from the mosque, whether you're from the market, you are a dead. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus Christ. Don't cross your boundary. Don't cross your boundary. In the name of Jesus. Holy Ghost. Holy Ghost. If you do not move away from this place, before I will come back, whatever happens to you, do not blame me. Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost. Yes? Jesus, what are you doing with this thing?
It's my own now. I'm looking for it.
Do you know what that thing is?
I want to use it to.
You have been looking for it since.
I'm the one that made it like this.
No.
Since I've been looking for it.
So this is what would have killed me.
Yeah?
You will not understand what happened. Even if I should explain to you, you will not understand what happened. You will not understand what happened.
I even want to make it longer. It's even short.
Hey, our mentality has given us.
What I've been looking for since I will make it even longer than this. Long, very long. Yeah, we are using it for practical.